Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp multiple account feature not showing in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you are trying to look for multiple account feature in your WhatsApp app, but you have to facing the issue that your WhatsApp multiple account feature is not showing here. So let's see how can you fix that. So very first you have to try to update your app. So if there will be any pending update for your WhatsApp, it will be done in this step. Simply look for WhatsApp here. Try to update your app, and after updating you have to reopen your WhatsApp app and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If you see get the option here, if you don't get, so basically there is no any option like that in your iPhone. If you're using any Android, you'll get a dual account or multiple account option here, and you'll be able to use multiple WhatsApp account in a single app. But in iPhone, you haven't this feature right now. The WhatsApp has not officially updated it. When it will be available, you'll get it here. Or if you want to use dual account on your WhatsApp app, so you can use a second way, which is open your app store. Have to simply search for WhatsApp Business. You have to simply search for this app. This is a Xerox copy of your WhatsApp app. You can easily use this without any issue on your iPhone. I am myself using this app for a long time with no any issue. So you can easily use this app to use multiple or use dual account on your WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.